So today's problem is simple symbol. It says have the function simple symbol take a string parameter and then determine if it is an acceptable sequence by either returning the string true or false. The string parameter will be composed of plus and equal symbol with several characters between them. And for the string to be true, each letter must be surrounded by a plus symbol. So the string to the left will be false. The string will not be empty and will have at least one letter. So it means that we are going to get a string that will have plus equal sign and letters. It is going to be the function will take the parameter string, and then if the letter is surrounded by plus symbol, then it is going to return true, and if it is surrounded by other symbols, then it will return false. So here is how we are going to solve this. We are going to take a string and we will use a for loop. Now for the current iteration, we are going to see if the previous it if the previous number of or the previous value is equal to plus, and if the next value is equal to plus. Now if and the current value will obviously be a letter. If that satisfies a condition, then it's going to be true, and we will increase the counter. Now we will have to, after the loop ends, we'll have a number for like 5 or 6, something like that, and we want to make sure that we will take a string, and that will take a string, and that string will have only letters. Will have only letters A, B, C, D, that. Now, if these two length of this array equals to this, that means for each letter, the letters that we have will be surrounded by a plus sign. And if it is higher or lower, if it is higher, that means that there are some letters that does not have a plus sign in front and after that. So that's how you're going to solve this problem. Now let's code it up. First, we are going to take a string, a variable, it is called letters, and we are going to match that to, it is going to give us only the letters right now, an array of letters. Now, if I want to see the console log, you can see that it is only giving me the letters. And now I have taken another variable, it's called counter. And then we are going to increase the counter if it matches some condition. Now let I equal to 0, I will be less than string dot length and I plus plus. Let previous string I minus 1. Let current, it is going to be string, the current one, the current iteration. Next is going to be string I plus 1. And now we are going to take alphabets to match. So the alphabets are going to be A to Z. Now, if previous equals to string plus sign and alphabet includes current, it is going to give us a true or false value. If I go to mdn documentation, we can see includes method of array instance determines whether an array includes a certain value among its entries, returning true or false. So, and we have another condition to meet. Next is going to be equal to plus sign, and then we're going to increase the counter. Now, if I console log the counter, I can see that I'm getting 2. And if I compare letters dot length, if it is equal to counter, then you're going to return me true. Otherwise, return false. Now, if I run this, it is going to return me true. Run for test cases. All the test cases passed, and now I'm going to submit it. Submitted.